And upon me, a report be about Coach Prosper Ogum. And upon me, can say Kotoko resume for pre-season 2024-2025. But Monday, none upon Coach Prosper Ogum any training ground. So, and you may have Kotoko the official communication about me can say this week the inshallah coach no beba. Kotoko confirm is a Coach Prosper Ogum after undergoing a successful surgery. About 5 weeks ago, Coach no about say we're returning to say. China Tuesday, Coach Prosper Ogum and Kotoko boys and be training. New boys ni nyina no on your moon be training. Into official communication from Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ede to just say Coach Prosper Ogum has returned fully and fit after undergoing a surgery. Mobile is last month. It was June and now okoye surgery no. Yeah, Bibisa. Now, as I say, Kotoko official communication nature we say Bibia in order. Coach no take over from an assistance. An assistance na boy Juma pa. An assistance na boy Juma. David Oklomo was saying mo. Enemy minipa. You team coach. My boy Juma pa. Asante Kotoko is pleased to announce to our supporters and the football community that head coach Dr. Prosper Ogum will return to Adakoja training ground this week following his recovery from a successful surgery 5 weeks ago. Obviously, this week, I'll be returning to Wednesday, a bit by Thursday. Now, during his absence, assistant coach David Oklo assumed the managerial responsibilities, leading the technical team to a 2-1 victory over House of Folk in the inaugural Democracy Cup. Let's say David Oklo, House for a show more from Enti asedani bi wo ho a na ye de ama David Oklo ene Wilson mo ene obi bia oka technical team no ho no ena Kumasi Asante Kotoko se yemfa nto obi anim seseze no coach Prosper Ogum wa return say no ono na Kotoko the preseason or the Kotoko also the squad assembled this morning and open squad ne assemble for a preseason preparation for the upcoming season. For the preseason, the return of the head coach is a significant boost to the club as the new players integrate and adopt to Dr. Ogum's comprehensive football philosophy. Was saying, coach ne return no, idea ehun hia pa because e be boost boys no confidence no mo etimi integrate themselves to Dr. Prosper Ogum, the playing style and then the philosophy of football obono ebeboa players no that players no I learn it from that nti to say coach Prosper Ogum ye de otumfo nyankopon ase say ode no abeka ye ho fully fit strong back to work